Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Geoffrey, and on this channel I'll be teaching you KoboToolbox and XLS form from beginner to advanced level. In today's video, we'll be learning about question types in KoboToolbox. Understanding question types is essential because choosing the correct one helps you collect accurate, clean, and reliable data. So let's get started. So what are question types? See, question types are different formats used to collect response from users. For example, if I want to collect a person's name, I'll use a text question. If I want their age, I'll use an integer, right? If I want them to choose their gender, I'll use a select one question type. So choosing the wrong question type can result in poor data quality and unnecessary errors. Let's look at the most commonly used question types. Okay, so we have text question. Okay, a text question is used to collect words or sentences. So example is full name, occupation, address, comments or suggestions. These question types accept letters, numbers, and symbols. Okay, and number two is an integer question. Okay, an integer question is used for collecting whole number only. So you can have questions like age, number of children, household size, number of livestock. You can have something like that. So for example, 25 is valid, but if you type 25.5, it's gonna reject it because integer does not accept decimal numbers, right? For number three, we will have a decimal question. So a decimal question is used when the answer may contain decimal values. All right, so example is farm size in hectares. Okay, we have weight, distance, or income. All right, so for example, 2.5 hectares or 15.75 kilograms. And the fourth one is we have select one question type. Okay, so this allows respondents to choose only one answer from the list, okay, from the choices below. So you can have something like what is your gender? All right, and you will have male, female, or prefer not to say. Yes, so the respondent only chooses one. You have to select one. And we have select multiple questions. Okay, these ones allow users to select more than one choices or answers. So you can have something like which crops do you grow? So you can bring maize, rice, cassava, tomatoes, pepper. All right, so if the person grows all these types of crops, you can tick all of them or select all of them. Okay, so we will have date for collecting date accurately. For example, date of birth, interview date, registration date. So you can have all these things in a questionnaire design and it will appear exactly as you want it. And we have GPS questions. This question types captures the respondent's geographical location. So it's commonly used for farm mapping, household surveys, community mapping, monitoring and evaluation projects. These question types can be used for such. All right, and we can also have image questions. Yes, this also allows the respondent to upload photographs or take photographs. All these can be coded into the questionnaire when designing. All right, so we can have something like farm photos, infrastructure projects, identification documents, or damaged equipments. You can take photos or upload them into the questionnaire when collecting the data. So images provide visual evidence during data collection. And we also have audio questions. You can also code in audio questions and the respondent can record voice, all right, when necessary, which is also useful for interviews, language studies, or collecting verbal feedbacks. Okay, and we can also have video questions. Yes, a video question allows respondent to record short videos, when virtual evidence is required, So this is commonly used during inspections, field assessments, and project monitoring. So when it comes to questionnaire design, all these can be added. That is necessary for data quality. You can have all these things coded into your questionnaire design for quality data collection. Okay, so this is just by the way. I just want you to take note of this. It's very important. When you get to understand all these things, designing the questionnaire will be easier for you. So in the next video, I'm going to take you through our first XLS form questionnaire design from scratch. It's going to be simple. Okay, so we've talked about text question type, we've talked about integer, and we've talked about decimal. We've talked about select one question type, select multiple question type. We've talked about dates, and we also talked about GPS for locations, on photos, audios, and videos. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next KoboToolbox tutorial. Bye.